Why won't my JLab earbuds turn on?
Hello viewers, and welcome to our Tech Solutions series. Today, we're tackling an issue some of you have experienced. Why won't my JLab earbuds turn on? We'll walk through several steps to identify the problem and potential solutions.
Are your earbuds charged?
The first thing to check is whether your earbuds are fully charged. JLab earbuds should be charged for at least 2 hours before their first use. Also, make sure that the charging cable and charging case are working properly. Try using a different cable or charging port to ensure it's not a power source issue.
Are you turning them on correctly?
The next thing to confirm is that you're following the correct steps to turn on your earbuds. Usually, JLab earbuds turn on automatically when they're taken out of the charging case. However, if they're not turning on automatically, you can manually power them on by pressing and holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds.
Is there a connection issue?
In some cases, your earbuds might be on, but you're not hearing any sound because they're not connected properly. Check if the earbuds are paired correctly with your device. You may need to forget the device on your phone and repair the earbuds.
Are your earbuds damaged?
If none of the above solutions are working, your earbuds might be damaged. Check for visible signs of damage like water exposure or physical harm. If you suspect damage is the issue, you might need to contact JLab for support or replacement if your earbuds are still under warranty. And that wraps up our troubleshooting guide for JLab earbuds not turning on. We hope these steps help you to resolve your power issue and get back to enjoying your favorite tunes or podcasts. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to JLab's customer service. They're there to help. Stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions.